Hello guys, on this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to zoom in and zoom out. I get a point. Sometimes with such a tool or something that you're so versed with, to zoom in and zoom out might become a challenge for you. So how do you do that on Corel Draw? It is very quite easy. The first thing you have to know is that there is a zoom tool on Corel Draw and the shortcut for it is Z. So immediately you click Z on your keyboard, you're gonna have this zoom tool. So when you click on this tool and you check on the tool bar, you will see that they have given you an option to zoom in and they have given you an option to zoom out, which is so good for you. Another thing is that if you want to zoom in percentage, by the corner you can click and zoom to any percentage that you want. You can either say fit to fit. You will simply just fit all the information that you have been working on. Say to width, it will do that for you. Say to height, it will do that for you. Say to 10%, it will do that for you. Say to 800%, it will do that for you. Then if you want it to just fit some at times, maybe it's straight for you to go here and click on to fit. What you have to do is just double click on the icon. It's gonna fit all the information that you have been designing. So that's a tip. Then the last bonus is you can also use your keyboard Control plus to zoom in and Control negative to zoom out. So that is it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.